Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are reviewing MoneyLion's Credit Builder Plus. So it basically offers a credit building loan with no hard credit check. But is it really worth it? Let's break it down. So signing up is really quick and easy with no hard credit card pull. You get access to a small loan, part of which is held in a credit reserve account, helping you build credit while saving money. If we talk about customization and designing, the app is very user-friendly. It offers your credit tracking, budgeting tool, and even cash advances. However, some loans amounts are limited and funds aren't fully available upfront. If you talk about growth and credit impact, by making on-time payments, you improve your credit scores, which is pretty self-explanatory, since payments are reported to all three major credit bureaus. But if you miss your payment, it could hurt your credit score instead. So if you talk about pricing and fees, it offers basically $19.99 per month membership. Fee is downside, making it pricier than other credit building options. But if you want a free alternative, consider self or secured credit card. So in the end, I'll say if you need a credit building loan with extra perks, MoneyLion is basically worth it. But if you want a lower cost option, self or secure cards might be a better thing. So with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.